Dear friends, if there were just one simple, inexpensive fruit, found in almost every family kitchen, yet holding a beauty secret equal to expensive cosmetics, would you believe it? It may sound like a joke, but science has already proven it. Just a ripe banana alone can make our skin smoother, reduce wrinkles, fade age spots, and most importantly, restore a youthful glow like when we were in our 20s. Today, I'm going to share that secret with you, familiar, safe, and easy to apply right at home. So make sure to watch this video all the way through to capture the full information. Before we begin, please subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest videos. And if you've ever used bananas for beauty, or if you're wondering how to eat them correctly and effectively, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll always do my best to respond and walk alongside you on this journey of caring for your health and beauty every day. Now, to understand why bananas are considered a rejuvenating miracle, let's look at it from a nutritional science perspective. Bananas are rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, two well-known antioxidants. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, the elastic fibers that keep skin firm and plump, while vitamin E protects cell membranes, reduces dark spots, and helps maintain an even skin tone. Bananas also contain many B group vitamins, especially B6 and B12, which support the regeneration of new cells, keeping the skin soft and less rough. In addition, bananas are extremely rich in potassium, which acts like a natural water source to keep the skin hydrated and supple. On top of that, lutein in bananas is a powerful antioxidant that works like a shield, protecting the skin from UV rays, the leading cause of premature aging. And finally, bananas contain amino acids, the building blocks the body needs to synthesize collagen and elastin, two fundamental components that determine skin firmness and elasticity. Thanks to the synergy of all these nutrients, bananas are compared to a natural cosmetic, with effects no less impressive than expensive skincare products. I still remember a woman in my neighborhood, already past 50. Her skin used to be dry and blotchy because she often went to the market early, exposed to sun and wind. She couldn't afford cosmetics. Yet just by eating bananas regularly and occasionally applying a simple banana face mask, after a few months everyone was surprised when they saw her again. Her skin looked brighter, smoother, and most importantly, she always appeared more radiant and youthful. She herself said that thanks to the familiar banana in her kitchen, she was able to maintain both her health and her beauty. This little story shows that sometimes the secret to rejuvenation lies right in the simplest things around us. And to prove that, today I'm going to share with you 3 simple banana mask recipes, easy to make but with visible results, that you can apply right at home. The first recipe is a pure banana mask. Just take half a ripe banana, mash it well, and apply directly onto clean skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. After just one use, your skin can feel softer, smoother, and more hydrated thanks to the potassium and vitamins in bananas that deliver quick moisture. This truly is a lifesaver recipe for days when your skin feels dry, dull, or after being out in the sun for long periods. Dear friends, the second recipe I want to share is the banana mask combined with unsweetened yogurt. For this mask, you only need half a ripe banana and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt has long been considered a valuable food for both health and skin. It contains many probiotic bacteria that help balance the skin's surface microbiome, making the skin healthier and less prone to inflammation. In addition, yogurt is rich in lactic acid, a natural AHA that gently exfoliates dead skin cells, smooths the surface, and stimulates new cell regeneration. On top of that, it provides B vitamins, vitamin C, zinc, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that nourish and repair the skin, making it brighter and fresher. Thanks to this rich composition, yogurt offers many benefits. It hydrates and softens skin with proteins and minerals. Brightens uneven skin tone by removing dead skin cells with lactic acid. Prevents acne by controlling harmful bacteria with probiotics. And also provides antioxidants to limit wrinkle formation. When combined with ripe bananas, this synergy creates a perfect skincare formula. Bananas are already rich in vitamin C, potassium, and amino acids, key components that help regenerate collagen, keep skin elastic, and provide natural hydration. Right finger. The method is also very simple. Mash half a ripe banana. Mix well with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt until you get a smooth mixture. Then, spread this mixture evenly onto clean skin. Gently massage for about a minute to let the nutrients absorb. Then leave it for around 15 minutes. Finally, rinse with cool water and gently pat dry with a soft towel. When applied, you'll notice your skin not only deeply moisturized thanks to the combined effect of potassium in bananas and protein in yogurt, but also brighter and gradually smoother as fine lines fade, thanks to the combination of bananas' vitamin C and yogurt's lactic acid. The cooling property of bananas along with yogurt's restorative minerals help calm skin after mild irritation, while probiotics in yogurt plus the balancing properties of bananas create a healthy environment on the skin's surface, limiting acne-causing bacteria and helping minimize pores. Sparkles. That's why, when you consistently apply the banana and yogurt mask, it's not just a natural and safe beauty method, but also a comprehensive skincare therapy, making your skin brighter, smoother, and healthier in the long run. However, keep in mind a few small notes. If you have very sensitive skin, test it first on your wrist or behind your ear since lactic acid may cause slight tingling. People allergic to milk or dairy should avoid it. And if you have severe inflammatory acne, it's best to stabilize the condition before applying to prevent clogging. Most importantly, this mask should only be applied 2 to 3 times per week, not daily, so the skin has time to rest and naturally regenerate. Dear friends, the third recipe I want to share is the banana and honey mask. To make this mask, you only need half a ripe banana and 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Honey has long been considered a precious gift from nature, not only beneficial for inner health but also extremely useful in skincare. Honey contains more than 180 bioactive compounds, including natural sugars such as fructose and glucose that help moisturize the skin. Trace minerals like potassium, zinc, magnesium, iron, and calcium, along with B vitamins and vitamin C that nourish cells. Most importantly, honey is rich in enzymes and antioxidants such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties and protect the skin from premature aging. Thanks to these valuable components, honey naturally hydrates the skin by drawing in and retaining moisture, keeping it soft and supple. It also soothes and repairs, reduces redness, supports regeneration, while fighting bacteria and preventing acne. At the same time, it shields the skin from free radicals, the culprits behind wrinkles and sagging. To prepare, simply mash half a ripe banana and mix it with 1 tablespoon of pure honey until smooth. Apply evenly on clean skin. Leave for about 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. When combined with banana, the effect is doubled. Bananas are already rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and amino acids, key factors for collagen regeneration and maintaining skin elasticity. When paired with honey, the potassium in bananas works together with honey's humectant ability to deliver deep and long-lasting hydration. Banana's vitamin C combines with honey's antioxidants to create a double shield against free radicals, slowing down aging and keeping the skin smoother. Enzymes in honey, combined with vitamin C from bananas, also help inhibit excess melanin, supporting brighter skin and fading dark spots and age spots. In addition, honey's antibacterial properties and banana's cooling effect work together to keep skin clean, reduce inflammation, and limit acne from returning. Sparkles. That's why, when you consistently apply the banana and honey mask, it's not only a natural, safe beauty method but also a comprehensive rejuvenation therapy, helping your skin stay brighter, smoother, and healthier for the long term. However, there are some cases where this mask should be avoided. Those allergic to honey or pollen should not use it, since honey can contain proteins that may trigger allergic reactions. People with very sensitive skin should also be cautious, as enzymes in honey or natural acids in bananas may cause irritation. In such cases, test first on the wrist or behind the ear. Individuals with severe inflammatory acne, cystic acne, or pus-filled acne should not use this mask, as it may worsen the condition and increase infection risk. Medical treatment should come first before trying natural remedies. Lastly, people with progressing skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, or shingles should not apply this mask to avoid further irritation. Dear friends, skincare through masks alone is not enough. If you want lasting youthfulness and truly healthy skin, you must also nourish it from within. Bananas are one of the most ideal fruits for this purpose. They're inexpensive, easy to find, and rich in essential nutrients for both health and beauty. According to nutrition recommendations, eating just 1 to 2 ripe bananas daily provides the body with an abundant source of potassium, along with vitamin C, B vitamins, fiber, and many important antioxidants. Eating bananas regularly not only supports smooth digestion and a lighter body but also helps brighten the skin and slow down cellular aging. Bananas can be eaten at any time of the day, but for best results, you should enjoy them about 30 minutes to 1 hour after a main meal. At that time, the digestive system is more stable, and the body absorbs nutrients better without causing bloating. Especially in the morning, you can combine bananas with oats, plant-based milk, or unsweetened yogurt. This makes a balanced, nutritious breakfast that keeps you full longer, provides healthy energy, and helps your skin glow and stay healthy from the inside out. Bananas contain many antioxidants that can neutralize free radicals, the very culprits that cause skin cell aging, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and discoloration. Bananas are also rich in tryptophan, a special amino acid that, once inside the body, is converted into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps relax the mind, improve sleep, and reduce stress. And as you already know, stress is the #1 enemy of the skin. It accelerates aging and makes the complexion dull. Eating bananas regularly not only improves overall health but also helps you feel more relaxed, sleep better, and thereby preserve beauty for the long term. Although bananas are good, you still need to use them correctly. People with diabetes, obesity, or kidney disease should consult their doctor before eating large amounts of bananas, since they are relatively high in sugar and potassium. In addition, always choose naturally ripened bananas and avoid those artificially ripened with chemicals, as they not only lose nutrients but may also harm your health. However, for optimal effectiveness, there are a few important notes to remember. Banana masks should only be applied 2 to 3 times per week, for about 15 to 20 minutes each time, and never left on overnight. For sensitive skin, test it first on your wrist or behind your ear. And here's a crucial point: no matter how carefully you care for your skin with bananas or other natural ingredients, if you forget to use sunscreen, your skin will still age prematurely, because UV rays are the main culprit that destroys collagen. That's why every morning before going out, always apply suitable sunscreen, even on cloudy days or when staying indoors. At the same time, avoid bad habits like staying up late, smoking, drinking too much alcohol, or prolonged stress, all of which make the skin deteriorate faster. In other words, bananas are an amazing assistant, but their benefits last longer only when combined with a healthy lifestyle, eating balanced meals, getting enough sleep, and keeping a relaxed, positive mind. Dear friends, as you can see, a simple banana in the familiar kitchen actually holds a treasure trove of benefits for both health and beauty. Without expensive cosmetics, by simply taking advantage of what nature offers, we can still maintain youthful skin and a peaceful spirit. I hope that after this video, you'll gain one more little secret to take care of yourself, to be beautiful, healthy, and live joyfully and confidently every day. If you find this content useful, don't forget to subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Your shares and feedback are the motivation for me to continue bringing more valuable knowledge. And before we wrap up, I sincerely wish you and your family good health, peace, happiness, and the joy of living young and living beautifully every day, because health is the most precious gift and the true foundation of lasting happiness.